Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make a very simple chili sauce with very basic ingredients. What we need is about 200 grams of very fresh red chilies. The chili that we are using today is not spicy at all. It's a very mild chili. About 3 tablespoons of soft brown sugar or palm sugar. A little salt. About 3 to 4 tablespoons of white vinegar and water. First we have to chop up the chilies with the seeds and all. Put it in a blender with some water and grind it until it's very fine. Heat a pan and pour in the ground chili. Rinse the jar with a bit of water and add in more water. All in we are using about 2.5 cups of water, which is including the amount of water we used to grind the chili. Let it simmer for 15 minutes over medium heat for the chilies to cook. Stir it once in a while to make sure that it's cooking evenly and it's not really burning at the bottom. Now it has been simmering for about 15 minutes. We add a bit of salt and sugar. You can add or reduce the amount of sugar as you wish. I'm adding all 3 tablespoons. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Add 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. Now you can taste it. Add sugar, salt or vinegar according to your preference. Once it turns glossy at the surface, it's already done. You can turn off the heat. The sauce will tend to thicken as it cools down, so we have to stop it at this consistency. This is the finished product, the chili sauce that we made today. Try it. Share with us all your photos and your comments. Thank you for joining us. See you soon with another new simple recipe. Bye.